So I get a good bit of comments. Sometimes it's people who don't even skate that they watch my channel just because they like me joking around or kind of like, you know, breaking my friends' balls or whatever it is. Just kind of goofing around. I also get a lot of comments that they say that it makes it feel like they're just like on a session with their friends. And I love making videos like this because this is actually how I interact with my friends. It is constantly everyone's just joking around with each other. No one's taking it too serious. No one's getting their feelings hurt. We definitely like to just like take digs at each other. And I love that. I love that hazing feeling. But I know a lot of people don't want to hear me talk at all. I totally get it. I have kind of an annoying voice. I don't even know how much I would like watching a different person do a similar type of channel like mine. But every once in a while, I want to start doing videos like this where it's just raw skating. You don't have to listen to any of the stupid crap that I have to say, and you're just going to see really good skating, because I would hate for my personality to get in the way of people seeing how incredibly talented my friends are at skating. So this is just a video of me and my friends skating. Tons of footage that I'm sitting on from the however long I've been doing YouTube and however many videos. So if you want more videos like this, I can easily start putting out videos like this. Maybe I could even make it like a bi-weekly thing or something like that. We'll see, depending on how much you guys want it. But anyways, yeah, here it is. Just skating, no talking, minus the talking that you just listened to. God dang it! Oh! What'd you drop? Dropped it again. Oh my.
Oh, I definitely tapped.
Whoa!
Oh yeah! Yeah! I mean, I
To
guess
make.
the front show would work easier. Oh. You're still watching the same one. It is not on repeat.
I'm so tired.